So this is my 2006 20-foot Keystone Outback. I just purchased it, trying to figure things out. All the manuals are very vague, and you have no clue what goes where. Some things are listed, some things are very vague, and there's no documentation online. So I'm going to be learning this as I go. Overall, what I paid for it was not a bad price. I think I paid a little too much because of some of the issues, but time will only tell, period. To be self-sufficient, I'm planning on running off of a generator that I bought and propane. Figure out water as I go along. Inside, we have some issues. I've already moved some things in. Refrigerator runs off of propane and electric. Stove runs off of propane. Water tank that heats water runs off of propane and electric. There is some storage. It has a car radio for a stereo system. Came with 2 TVs. One that was out here did not work. The antenna out here, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, so I bought an external antenna for out here. In here, this TV did work, but I moved it out to the other side. A little bit of room here. That door handle does not work. Bunch of light switches or accessory switches that are in here. Here's 2. After some playing around, I found some of them. One works for the fart fan, which is up here, and the other one works for the light that's in here. The toilet does not hold water. It needs to be resealed, or possibly maybe that part there needs to be lubricated. Period. I'm not 100% sure yet. The control panel shows everything is full, so it appears that all the sensors are gummed up. Not 100% sure how I'm going to clean those yet. That's to raise the antenna and lower it. The air conditioning system, which works really well. So, as I learn these things, I will share.